Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, S.D.R. Drone Incorporated just filed an amendment to its Articles of Incorporation, and it signals a major shift in identity. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This company is officially done being Hallmark Venture Group and is now fully embracing its new name and focus. Alright, let's dive into what this means. The big news here is a name change. Remember Hallmark Venture Group Incorporated? Well, they have officially become S.D.R. Drone Incorporated. This happened back on the 16th of June 2026 when the company's shareholders overwhelmingly approved this change. It is not just a name on paper. Though the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA, gave the green light for this name change to take effect on the 16th of July, 2026. This is a pretty big deal for a company that has been known by its old name. When a company rebrands like this, it often signals a significant shift in strategy or a refocusing of its business. For S.D.R. Drone Incorporated, the name itself tells us they are now all about drones. And it is not just the name. Their stock ticker symbol has also changed. They used to trade under HLLK, but now they will be known as SDCO. This change also became official on the 16th of July 2026, the same day the name change went live. This is important because it helps investors and the market identify the company correctly and track its performance under the new identity. It is a fresh start, and the new ticker will be what people look for going forward. Now, looking at the research we've gathered, this rebranding was likely anticipated. We're seeing headlines from July pointing to Hallmark Venture Group actually being acquired by Ecorex Corporation, and in that deal they picked up Sundori Drone intellectual property and secured financing. So, this name change really solidifies that acquisition and the new direction. It seems like the company is moving away from its past and fully committing to the drone technology space. Digging into the details of the filing, this is an amendment to the company's Articles of Incorporation. Think of Articles of Incorporation as the company's birth certificate. By amending it, they are legally changing their fundamental identity. This amendment was filed with the Secretary of State of Florida, where the company is incorporated. The filing clearly states the intent was to change the name from Hallmark Venture Group Incorporated to S.D.R. Drone Incorporated. Interestingly, the CUSIP number, which is like a social security number for their stock, remains the same. That number is 406,268,201. This means that while the company's name and ticker have changed, the underlying security is still the same. For existing shareholders, their shares did not change, just how the company is identified. The filing also indicates that S.D.R. Drone Incorporated is an emerging growth company. This means they get to use some relaxed reporting rules for a period, which can give them more flexibility as they grow. They've also elected not to use the extended transition period for new accounting standards, meaning they will be adopting them more quickly, which can be a sign of a company wanting to present itself as more mature. This section of the filing, item 5.03, is all about changes to the company's foundational documents. It details exactly how the Articles of Incorporation were amended. The approval by the majority of voting power of the company's outstanding capital stock acting by written consent in lieu of a meeting really shows strong shareholder backing for this change. It wasn't a contentious decision. The shareholders were on board. The filing also includes Exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file. This is basically a machine-readable version of the filing that helps with data aggregation and analysis. It is pretty standard for these types of reports. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. We're seeing that S.D.R. Drone Incorporated is noted as a shell company in financial services. This often means the company might not have significant operations or assets of its own and is often used for mergers or acquisitions. The news headline about Ecorex acquiring them and Drone IP further supports this idea. It looks like the company was acquired and repurposed for a new venture in the drone space. The market cap is around $67 million and the stock is trading at $1.01. This is a small company, and the change from Hallmark Venture Group to S.D.R. Drone Inc., coupled with the acquisition news, paints a picture of a company in transition. It's likely that after the acquisition and rebranding, they are now looking to build out their drone operations. One of the interesting things to watch will be how quickly they can establish themselves in the drone market. The name change is a clear signal of intent, but execution is everything. We need to see what they do next, what kind of drone technology they develop or acquire, how they plan to market it, and how they will generate revenue from it. The biggest question for S.D.R. Drone Incorporated right now is whether this rebranding and strategic shift will translate into real business growth and profitability. It's a bold move, and while the new name and ticker suggest a focus on drones, the success will depend on their ability to execute their new business plan. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. Like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord linked below.